So when you picture a hospital, what comes to mind? Probably doctors, nurses, all that high-tech equipment, right? But behind the scenes, there's this massive, almost invisible system working around the clock to prevent absolute disaster. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most critical, yet totally overlooked parts of patient safety: hospital linen.
But first, I want you to take a guess. Think beyond the obvious stuff, like needles or surgical tools. What's one of the biggest, and I mean most underestimated risks for spreading infection inside a hospital?
Believe it or not, it's the very things that are supposed to provide comfort. The bed sheets a patient is lying on, the towels they use, the gown they wear all day. Yeah. If these simple things are managed the wrong way, they can become a hidden highway for dangerous pathogens, just moving silently from room to room.
And managing all these items, well, that brings us to the hospital's huge unseen challenge. This is so much more than just a load of laundry. It's an industrial-scale operation with literal life-or-death consequences.
And of course, there's a professional term for this: hospital linen management. But look at the official definition here. It doesn't say washing clothes. It says it's a comprehensive system that covers the entire lifespan of every single textile. And it's all for two key reasons: safety and efficiency.
So forget your laundry room at home. This is a relentless, high-stakes logistical puzzle. We're talking about tens of thousands of items constantly moving through this complex, non-stop cycle, 24/7, with absolutely zero room for error.
Okay, so if it's a puzzle this complex, what happens when a piece goes missing? Or when you just get it plain wrong? Well, the cost is incredibly high. Really, the risks of getting this wrong fall into three main buckets. First, and obviously the most critical, is health, the very real danger of cross-contamination and hospital-acquired infections. Second, you've got the financial hit from constantly replacing lost or damaged stuff. And third, something that's just as crucial: the hospital's reputation.
You know, a pile of used sheets isn't just dirty, it's a potential biohazard. If it's not handled with super strict protocols, it can become a breeding ground for pathogens, spreading them all over the facility.
And this is where that third risk, reputation, really hits home. I mean, think about it. If you're a patient and you see a stain on your pillowcase, or you're given a gown that's all threadbare, your confidence just plummets. This quote says it all. How clean a patient thinks things are is directly linked to how much they trust the actual medical care they're getting.
So, with stakes this high, how do hospitals fight these enormous risks? Well, they don't leave it to chance. They fight all that chaos with order by putting in place a really rigorous and professional system. The entire solution is built around this idea of order. It's a meticulous, multi-step process where every single stage is specifically designed to break that chain of contamination and make sure that what reaches the patient is not just clean, but genuinely safe. Let's actually follow the journey, right? It all starts with safe collection and then completely separate transportation routes, so clean never crosses with dirty. In a controlled area, staff in full protective gear sort everything. Then it goes through a scientific washing and drying process to kill any pathogens. And finally, it's carefully folded, stored in a protected, clean environment, and then distributed right back to where it's needed. Every single step is a safety checkpoint. And here's the thing: you can't get 7 out of 8 steps right. Each one is a critical link in this chain of infection prevention. If just one of those links breaks, like, say, someone uses a contaminated cart or stores clean sheets out in an open hallway, the whole system fails.
Okay, so let's bring it all together. Why does mastering this invisible, behind-the-scenes system matter so much?
Well, the contrast is it's stark. It's night and day. On one side, you have a disorganized, haphazard method that leads to infection risks, huge costs, and unhappy patients. But on the other side, a systematic approach creates the exact opposite: way better safety, major cost savings, and a much better patient experience. So when you do it right, it all boils down to these 4 pillars, these 4 huge wins. You get enhanced patient safety, you get improved patient satisfaction, you get significant cost savings, and you boost the hospital's entire operational efficiency. It's a win on every single front. And, maybe the most important benefit of all is this one. When the system works perfectly, nurses and clinical staff aren't wasting their precious time hunting for clean gowns or reporting shortages. They are totally free to focus 100% of their attention on what they do best: taking care of patients.
So the next time you find yourself in a healthcare setting, just take a second to appreciate the humble hospital bedsheet. It's a fantastic reminder of all the complex, invisible systems working all around us. And it kind of leaves you with a question, doesn't it? What other hidden operations are out there, working tirelessly right now just to keep our world safe and running smoothly?